In this video, we'll learn how to divide polynomials. A polynomial is an expression composed of a variable, an exponent, and it may or may not have a constant. So for example, fx equals x plus 2 is a polynomial to the first degree. So what that means is that it has a power of 1. It has the variable x, and in this case it has 2 as its constant. Now some other examples may include x squared plus 4, x cubed, and so on. Okay. In this video we're going to learn how to divide polynomials, but we'll be focusing on polynomials with powers that are greater than 3. So probably x cubed, so like cubic, x to the power of 4, maybe quartic, and probably up to there. Now to divide polynomials, you need to know how to do long division. So for example, if we're dividing 128 by 4, 4 fits into 1 0 times, it fits into 12 3 times, and we have to write 12 underneath and subtract, so we're left with 8. And 4 fits into 8 2 times, so you write 2 next to the 3, write 8, subtract, that's 0. So you'll need to know how to do long division. Let's do an example. Let's say we had x squared plus 7x plus 11, and we're dividing that by x minus 2. We follow similar steps to the long division, but we're going to consider x and negative 2 as two different numbers. Okay. So we'll work with x first. We need to see how many times x squared fits into, x fits into x squared. Now in this case it fits into x squared x times, because x times x equals x squared. So according to long division, we need to write x squared down here. And now what we do is we need to multiply negative 2 to x. So negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and we subtract. Don't forget that's in a bracket, so that becomes a negative x squared, and that becomes a positive 2x. Therefore, these x squareds cancel out, and we get 7x plus 2x, which is 9x, and we move the 11 down here. Then we repeat the process, but now we look at how many times x can divide 7x. So we're looking at this term here. So 7x divided by x is 7, so you write plus 7 here. So, sorry. We're going to look at how many times x divides 9x. So this term. X divides 9x 9 times, so that's 9. So we write 9x here. Now we multiply 9 by negative 2. And we write the result here. So 9 times negative 2 is 18, negative 18. Now we subtract, so these two cancels out, and we get 29. So 29 is our remainder, and our quotient is x plus 9. So we're saying that x squared plus 7x plus 11 divided by x minus 2 is equal to x plus 9, remainder 29. We can write this as x minus 2 times x plus 9 plus 29. And if you expand the brackets, you'll find that this factorized form equals x squared plus 7x plus 11. Let's try another example. This time we'll divide a cubic. So we had x cubed plus x squared negative 14x plus minus 24. And we're going to divide that by x minus 2. x plus 2, sorry. We follow the exact same process as we did before. We find out how many times x fits into x cubed. That's x squared times, because x times x squared is x cubed. So we multiply x to x cubed, write that here. So x times x squared is x cubed. And now 2 times x squared is 2x squared. And then we subtract. These two cancel out. That's negative x squared. Now we want to find out how many times x fits into negative x squared. And it fits negative x times. Now these things move down. So we multiply x to negative x. That's negative x squared. We times 2 to negative x. So that's negative 2x. Okay, and then we subtract. It becomes a plus and plus. These two cancel out. That's negative 12x minus 24. Okay, find out how many times x fits into 12x. Negative 12x fits negative 12 times. So times 12, negative 12 by x, which is negative 12x, times 2 by negative 12, that's 24, and subtract. That becomes a plus and a plus, and these all cancel out, and we have a remainder of 0. This means that x cubed plus x squared minus 14x minus 24 is equal to x plus 2, x squared minus x minus 12. Now always check if you can factorize the quadratic. Okay, in this case we can, so use the cross method to find out the easiest. So that's 1, 1, 3, 4 times, that will be a negative. So which means that it will be x plus 3, x minus 4. Therefore the fully factorized version of x cubed plus x squared, negative 14x negative 24, is x plus 2, x plus 3, and x minus 4. So 2x cubed, negative 3x squared, 11x plus 6. Divide that by x plus 2. Let's do it. X fits into 2x cubed, 2x squared times. So we write 2x cubed here, times 2 to negative 2, times 2 to 2x squared. So that's plus 4x squared. Subtract, that cancels out. That's negative 7x squared. That's 11x. Move 11x down. Okay. Now x fits into negative 7x squared. Negative 7x times. It's negative 7x squared. 7 times negative 7x is negative 14x. Subtract, becomes a plus, that cancels out, becomes a plus, it's 3x. Move plus 6 down here. And x fits into 3x 3 times, you write 3 there, 3x. 2 times 3 is 6. We subtract and we get a remainder of 0. So that means x plus 2 times 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is equal to this polynomial. And don't forget to factorize the quadratic. So that's 2, 1, 3, 1, negative, negative. Yep, that'll be 2x minus 1 and x minus 3. So our fully factorized form of our polynomial is x plus 2 times 2x minus 1 times x minus 3.